The classes are good and interactive, and I feel happy when I'm in the class.
I am Alicia and I'm 12 years old. I started the bilingual when I was 4 years and I'm born on 2011, so I have 9 years from experience. So it's funny, it's cool because we play a lot and teacher she tries to bring always the new things to us. We know a lot of things we learn. I like it when teacher Deborah was my teacher, that she teach us about giantina, the ladybug. Was so cool. I remember the tiara, the bracelet, the bag that I made. It was so funny.
I'm Miguel and I have 8 years. I like to play, I like to eat, I like to run, study, and I like to learn math, science, how to find water, the types of water that have gas, liquid, and solid. I go to Australia and United States. It's fun. I play, I visit the places, and my dad found the friends that he lives, that she goes to Australia to study in the university. I want to be a life planner. I go to travel in the different places, and I need to communicate the other peoples.
The schools have a class that teachers speak and talk about the American Revolution. And I like this topic because I like history.
Eu acho que o método que vocês usam é muito bom, porque fala de várias coisas, né? Não é só o inglês em si, né? Ele aprende história, ele aprende geografia, ele aprende outras coisas em inglês.
I don't see that I changed through the years. I think I improved a little in some ways, but I started teaching in a way and I still do the same thing, and it's working. So that's why I like it, because I see the results. I see the students learning. I see how they talk, and I see them understanding everything that's happening. So I don't think I had a challenge working with systemic at all. I love seeing my students talking. I'm so proud of them. I have little ones trying very hard to speak English all the time, because I do that with them. I make them speak since they are very, very small. And they really try to produce in English, and it's wonderful. And then seeing when they grow, and even with some mistakes, but trying, producing, it's so, so cool. And then when they get even older, seeing that they're fluent, they can talk about anything, everything, all the time. So it's wonderful.